Hi, my name is Alvin Pettit. I'm director of the Mary McLeod Bethune Life Center, located in the Greenville area of Jersey City. We have some wonderful new work here to show, to display that just came in recently. We partnered with the Drawing Room organization, and they have brought us some wonderful artists and actually help us curate our shows. A lot of these pieces are from local artists, some of the Greenville area. We try to feature a lot of artists here that are also, like I said, locally in the Greenville area, located up in this section of Jersey City. We have artists that have started off here and shown at the Bethune Center, and some of them are now showing in nice galleries in certain parts of SoHo and Chelsea and New York, but this has been where their start was. So we're proud to carry on that tradition by bringing in upcoming artists. We have artists that are here as young as, our youngest is 15 years old, and we have artists up here that are starting late in their careers that want to go into the arts that are 70 plus years old. And you can just kind of see the wide array of different type of styles. This year we brought in more, I guess, eclectic styles, more in the abstract, textiles, and some have more of an ethnic tribal appeal to them. That was kind of the theme we were trying to mix in more of the work for 2022 Artscape.